Hello. Yo. Hello everyone. How's it going? How is everybody doing? Hey Adele, Big Deeds, Elizabeth, Marilyn. How's it going? How is everyone doing? Hey Asif, Michael. Good morning. Caroline, nice to see you here. Big Deeds, hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you're having a brilliant day so far. Hello, Patricia. Hello, Janice. How's it going? Nice to see you here. Curtis, hey team. Let's release the beast. Indeed, indeed, indeed. We could be taking a short position right now. Looking very, very nice. Only issue is that 4-hour candle and the risk to reward ratio. Hey Ghost, how's it going? Like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream if you're ready to get started. Suresh, Gerardo, hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you both here, and you, Ghost. Hope you're having a good day so far. Mohammed, let's go. How's it going, mate? Let's see if we can get this final push on here. I have not taken a short yet, Melvin, no. It's a little bit mixed because, we got that 4-hour. If we look at the 4-hour, usually we look at the fundamentals right now, but there's a position potentially lining up. We got that 4-hour fair value gap here that we've inversed, but we've also inversed this one right here. So we can take shorts if we see fit. And in the next minute or so, if we can close below here, I am going to take shorts. Now, in terms of the risk to reward ratio, it's going to be targeting down here. Hey Victor, hey Big Deeds, hey Ghost. I think I already said hi Ghost, but we will look at gold in a sec. Big Deeds, yes, I will be back on Monday 1000%. I said that last time, I know, when I went to Florida. But this time, I will. I promise. And I'll explain more in just a sec, guys. But we may have a position building up here with this IFEG. AMD. Here. We were looking for a 15-minute play, but we didn't seem to get that. And I think we're about to get in this trade right now, guys. In the next... I'm in. I'm going to get in straight away. Right. We're in. We are in. Slightly low R, I think, here. 1.2, 1.1. Very low. But we're in. Straight off the bat, okay? Straight off the bat. Straight off the bat. People in the private seeing this. We got the 4-hour with IFEG. Should come out and take this low. We got 5-minute AMD. I think we got 15-minute fair value gap as well. Respected. Well, there was a technical close here, but that's not really what we look at here. We look at that nice disrespect. If we're going to take that, but we are in a trade now with that IFEG on the 5-minute right here. 15-minute fair value gap respected. 4-hour IFEG showing us bearish. We've had a nice consolidation. We've manipulated up. And now we're going to distribute down, okay? So, in terms of areas to target, where are we going to target? We're going to target this price right here, which is the low of the accumulation, really. And then we have this over here. I need to set my orders, actually. We have this right here, which is 192816. A little bit just below that. Right, so we got a nice 1.15R, not really the highest, but let's see how it plays. But yeah, so whilst that trade's playing out, we need that was not how we usually start the streams, but I've seen it. People in the private group seen it as well. So I thought I might as well get in on the action with that new bias that we've got. Let me just set my orders. Actually, I need to Stop loss just above this high here, 193425. 25. And take profit is 192806. There we go. Right. So we're going to see how this plays out now. Okay, we're going to see how this plays out. We're going to set some alerts. We're going to set an alert over here. And we're going to just move on to the next thing and look at something else whilst this plays out. We're going to set an alert here. Here. And obviously here as well. And the stop loss. And gotta look at that as well. We've got to put an alert there too. Okay, so that's what's going on now. 4-hour IFVG, 15-minute respected, 5-minute IFVG with the 5-minute AMD. Should play out very nicely here. Let's move on to something else while we wait, though. So, first things first, I need to say something. I am going to be... This is the last stream of the week, okay? I'm going to Cyprus on Friday. So, I'll be traveling all of Friday. Plus, there is a, I don't really want to announce this, a bit personal, but there's a family member of mine in hospital at the moment that I need to see before I leave, okay? So I'm going to spend the next couple of days going there, seeing them. And then I'm off to Cyprus on Friday for the whole month of February, but, I'm going, renting out a villa, but I will be live. I will be working, trading, live streaming, market outlooks, everything just as normal. Nothing's going to change. Literally everything will be the same. Just that break from now until Monday. That's the announcement. That last stream of the week today. Appreciate you, Caroline and Marilyn. Thank you. I'll pass it on. Thank you very much. But yeah. Going to Cyprus for the month of February. Okay. Just traveling and stuff like that for the next few weeks. Cheers, big deeds. Appreciate you. But yeah. So there's that as well. But yeah, let's carry on with this. So last stream of the week. Okay. Let's go out with a nice bang. See how this goes. We are floating around here a little bit, but we need to check the fundamentals. Okay. So what's going on fundamentally today? Hey, Driss, how's it going? Yes, Melvin, I'm going literally for the entire month of February. I'm not going there for hospital. I'm going to hospital in the UK tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Friday morning, but yeah, and then I'm traveling. So there won't be any more streams for the rest of the week. But yeah, I'm going to Cyprus for the month. There'll be a different type of content, maybe some vlogs or whatever, just kind of showing you the place and, a little bit more. But we're going to be streaming, working, trading just as normal, just how we were doing right now. So nothing's going to change. Same time, everything, all the same. Okay. So same time in your diaries. But yeah, I'm not sick. No, I'm not sick. No. I am not sick. It's a family member. No. My relative is not in Cyprus. He's in the UK. I'm visiting him in the UK for the next few days before I go to Cyprus on holiday for a month. Okay? Yeah, so I'm visiting him for the next few days for the end of the week, the rest of the week. And then I'm going to Cyprus on my holiday. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's get on with this, guys. So let's look at the fundamentals. As you can see, if you watched the market outlook yesterday, you can see that the fundamentals are the same as they were yesterday. But we have 3 p.m. news, okay? So we'll see how that goes before that's released. We'll see how that plays out. But yeah, that's it for today. Literally just the 3 p.m. release. So we're going to get a bit of volatility now. Hopefully we can get that volume push to the downside. See how that plays out. And yeah, we're in this trade. We're going to move on to gold, look at something else. Gold, Bitcoin. Have a quick look at those things. But First things first, we just need to journal this trade before it plays out because I'm getting a bit lazy again. You know, I started this live stream journal as a way to like hold myself more accountable and actually journal my trades. But yeah, we need to stay on top of it. So we're going to journal this trade very quickly. Then we're going to move on to gold, Bitcoin, NQ, whatever else it is you guys want to see whilst this trade plays out. Okay, and we'll manage it accordingly as we move towards our TP. So let's so we got the GJ trade that I took on Monday. I need to journal that, but today's date is the 20th Jan. So I'll have a quick look at that. GBP JPY. Oh wow, I got an Apple Watch, right? Got an Apple Watch, and it alerts me. My alerts on TradingView come up on my watch. That's pretty cool. GBP JPY, we are bearish. We're in a sell. The risk to reward ratio is a bit low. What is it? 1.15. We'll go with it. 1.15. Risked full 1%, so we'll make about 1% back, but that's everything for now. Right, so we just took this low out. We're just going to move stops a little bit, okay, just above this fair value candle here. There's not really a point in moving them, to be honest. What I'm going to do is, instead of doing that, we're going to draw this fair value gap here, which we've just formed. We're going to draw that out, okay? And if we close above this, if we inverse this, we will close the trade. Soft stop loss. But we got a hard stop loss up here. But yeah, and then when we get to here, we'll probably move just above this, just above this fair value gap, sorry. And then see how it plays out. But yeah, we've journaled the trade now. We're in the trade. Bit of a messy start to this stream, I know, because you know we started on the charts. Now we're checking the fundamentals. We don't usually do that. Typically, we check the fundamentals first. But I seen that position, and I know myself that you know I already knew what the fundamentals were. But we've had a check at them now. We're going to move on to something else. Let this trade play out, okay? Going to let this play out. I'm going to move this just above here for when we have for if we do that. But yeah, we're going to close some of the trade here, okay? And then just adjust stop loss as well. Full TP over here, okay? Full TP down here. Let's move on to something else whilst that plays out. Let's look at gold, okay? Let's have a look at gold. So gold did push deeper. I thought this was going to happen. Now, if you remember the stream from Friday, I think we lost a trade based on this. I think we did. Did we? We moved to break. Well, I think we risked a little bit here. I think this was the trade. Yeah, this was us trying to, one, predict an inversion, but also test this fair value a little bit more, I believe so. Anyway, we've done that. We've done that now, and we've bounced straight back up off of it, so we are a little bit bullish here on gold. Now, if we look at the 4 hour, you can see we are pushing above this imbalance. If you watched the market outlook yesterday, I will have told you that I wanted to see this fair value gap inverse if we're going to take buys. It looks like we're doing that now, but we do have 3 hours left on this candle, so it may just play out differently. But as of now, we're inversing it. We want to see that close if we're going to take buys. So really, we're in a bit of no man's land, kind of. You know what I mean? We don't really want to trade this. But as of now, it looks like we are trying to be bullish. You know, we took out this low, had to retrace back to the imbalance. We took out this low here, had to retrace back to the imbalance. We've done that now. We're looking to inverse it. And if we inverse it, we can look at taking out this high over here. And obviously this high over here as well. Okay. Yeah, it does, to be fair. It does. I see that. Head and shoulders. Yeah, we picked that up nicely, guys. Now, to be fair as well, this is a higher probability one because we have this, like, you see this low here? This is a lower low, okay? You know, I don't really use that concept much. We use ERL and IRL. But typically, oh, GJ's crossing. But typically, when we have like the left shoulder higher than the right shoulder, that is a strong confirmation. If they were the same, or if this was a little bit higher, that's more of a bullish confirmation, you know, or like an kind of like technically an equal confirmation. But here it's a bit lower. So if we do end up respecting this, we'll have that in our back pocket as well. But as I said, it's a no trade. You don't really want to trade this right now until this candle closes. You can assume a bearish bias because we don't have a bottom wick on the 4 hour. But we'll see how it goes. The daily doesn't say bearish. So if you were to assume a bearish bias, it's a little bit incorrect. Like it's very mixed. It's basically what I'm saying. But let's have a look at this GJ trade. Oh, poo. Oh wow. Easy dub. Easy dub. Nice. We didn't even close half. We didn't even get a chance to close half there, guys. Straight to TP. That's exactly what we want to see here. W in the chat. W in the chat, guys. Easy peasy. This is back to it now. Back to it. We're back. We're back in the game. We unleashed the beast, as Curtis says the other day. Oh, the other minute, but nice work, guys. W in the chat. Nice work. TP. Easy work. Easy work. W. Nice trade. This is a textbook setup, guys. Textbook setup. W. Wow, yes. W. Easy peasy dub. Easy peasy. Nice work, guys. Nice work. Killing it. W in the chat. Keep going, guys. Keep those W's up. Keep those W's up there, guys. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. Light work. We didn't even get a chance to close half either, so we got a full TP there. Nice full 1%. I think I might have closed it a little bit earlier. Let's see. Full 1.3%. Easy W in the chat. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. The W, Melvin, W means like win. Like W, good. Like W is good, L's bad. What does it mean? Yeah, Elizabeth. Yeah, Elizabeth, really, yeah. We got to pay our dues to you, Elizabeth, if you're here watching the stream. You pretty much called this. Nice work, guys. Like up the stream. Let's finish this journaling. Alright, so copy the link. Easy peasy. W 1.3%. We need to change this, right? Because they're literally all AMD and fair value gaps. Oh no. Right. Right, so trade reflections. Good trade. Textbook, not textbook really. Needs to copy the link again. Right. I need to journal this GJ trade as well, but it was a dub. think what 20. What's this? 24 trades in now. You know, starting to be a little bit more sustainable. These figures up here. So Mohammed, yes, this is my last trade for the week. First Black Drift King. Can we get that journal in the fast track program? I think I've built one. I can just, if you want me to change it to that one, I can, like, you've got one, but it doesn't look like that. If you want that specific one, yeah, I'll give you it. Like, I'll give you the format for it. It may already be there, though. I'm not 100% sure. If you've checked and it isn't, let me know, and I'll put it in there for you. If not, I'll have a quick check after this. Well, that's that trade there done, guys. Like, there's not much there. We're not going to chase anything else here. Easy dub there. Now, the real test is whether or not this was a good TP. You know, there's winning trades, great. But if this bounces straight back up, and we've had a nice TP there. Ah, I didn't realize. Yeah, I'll well, there you are. As Dan just said, you can. I think you should be able to just download this. You should just be able to download it yourself, and then just kind of get rid of all this. Like, I don't usually track like these things. But yeah. Sure, if you want it, download it. I think you should be able to download it. Let me know if you can't. Right, so that's GJ. We're not going to look at anything else here now. We're going to just leave that there. It's this low here. Trevor, this. So we push up, retrace, leave behind this high and this low. What symbols do you trade? So Kev, I do not trade. Sorry, I do trade. I I trade GBP, JPY, Bitcoin, and gold. Now I'm mainly GJ, mainly just GBP, JPY, but I'm slowly branching out. I'm looking at Bitcoin and gold. We've been trading that more recently the past few months, but it's just mainly those three. Sometimes I might take GU or EU if the perfect setup's there. But as Mohammed just said, or as Big Deeds just said, sorry, I will not be live tomorrow. This is my last stream of the week because I'm going to Cyprus on Friday. Got a few things to take care of in between now and then. Mohammed, yeah, as I just said, I won't be live. But yeah, we're not going to look at anything else there. Looks like it was a good TP so far. The aftermath of this will really show us whether or not this was a good TP. If we continue down, we could have caught more. If we just completely reverse and head up, we had a good TP. And that's what we want to see. I want to see price kind of go back up before going down. But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin. We'll have a quick look at Bitcoin. I'm quite happy with what we've done so far today. I'm not in the mood to force anything. No problem. And no, I don't. Right, so on the daily, we've took out this low. We're looking to retrace back into this fair value gap here. We are bullish on Bitcoin. On the 4 hour, it's kind of the same thing. I've said this a few times, guys, especially the past few weeks where we've have these fair value gaps here, yeah? All these fair value gaps here. When there's these, you just want to use the higher time frame one. So you see like 3 like this. You go up the time frame to the daily. And you see we just took this liquidity. We're looking to come back up into this imbalance here. So we just use that one fair value gap there. So we ignore that the fact that these are respected or disrespected or whatever. And we go, well, that is a bullish bias there. And if you want to, you can look in and you go, well, this is a high right here as well on the 4 hour that we've took out. This high right here on this candle. And then there's also a fair value gap, very small, very, very small, that we have, you know, bounced up off of so far. So there is a bullish bias here. If we go onto the 1 hour, you can see a nice little AMD play here. We've also got this imbalance, which we seem to be respecting as of now. 15 min, choppy as anything. And Bitcoin has also got an IFEG, guys. Also got that IFEG there. Right here. I'm not going to take this, but you can if you want to. Full TP. Manage all these highs here. Lots and lots of highs. We've slowly just melted down. So I just pick out the main ones, like this one here. You could even just target that if you really wanted to. So the next trade day, I will be trading tomorrow, just no streaming. I'll be trading every single day. I will post an analysis in the free Discord. Join that. That's in the link below, the free Discord there. I will be posting my analysis there. I'll be trading all week, but the next live stream that I do will be on Monday. I'm going to Cyprus for a month, so it's not like I'm going to have a holiday. You know, it's just getting away for a bit, and I'll be working just as normal, trading just as normal, streaming just as normal, same videos, everything, all the same. Just a little break between now and Monday. I'm looking at the gold. It looks like on the 15-minute chart, price action is pushing down. Let's have a look at that. It does, but we've just had a very big move here. So you'd expect price to just kind of chill a little bit now. There's lots of, there's two unmitigated fair value gaps here as well. We've got an hourly close in a sec, so I think this may be also a 30-minute forming. Yes, it is. We have a 30-minute fair value gap forming, but then you go, well, there's two here. And you go, look at the 1 hour. This is probably also a 1 hour fair value gap forming. One right here. So you could anticipate a move down. You could anticipate a move down to here, but we've just had a massive move. So we may either continue up or just start consolidating and then maybe reverse. That's what you'd want to see. Euro GBP 1 hour. We'll check Euro GBP now. On the 1 hour. Very, very messy. You can see why it's very messy, because we just did this. Trying to target these lows here. So it's not really looking like there's a trade on the 1 hour. There's a bearish bias for sure. AMD here. Maybe an IFEG play. I don't know. Not something I want to take. But yeah, I'm not in a trade, by the way, on this, guys. This is just an analysis. Bitcoin, GJ, push straight back up. Honestly, guys, we're just going to chill for like 5 minutes, a couple minutes. Then we're going to bounce, because nothing else to do here. We've done our job. No need to push it. Josh, grateful to be here. You're doing the research for this job. Happy I can help, Mohammed. You know. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. My bad, my bad. My bad. This was a good TP, though. Right. Euro GBP. Same scenario, really. Same scenario. Also, if you're going to take any trade, like this is a 15-minute a bearish AMD. But there's a gap here. So you could take a quick scalp on the 5. But then, ugh, really ugly. Not really worth trading this, to be honest with you. Nothing here. Maybe a buy back up to here if you really want to like do like some form of like super scalp, but you know, not much in this, in my opinion. We respected this fair value gap here on the 30. We may push up and take out this, so you could use that confluence, but you kind of missed the entry here. So, not much in this at all. Yeah, so we'll have a look at NQ. Now, I've got a question here, guys. I don't even trade NQ, but for the people that do, I know the answer, okay? I'm just making sure you guys do. Can anyone tell me why we did this? I'm going to sit here and wait. Can anyone tell me why we did this? Where's my phone? Anyone tell me why we did this? I know exactly why. You should know why, especially if you trade the NQ. Anyone tell me why we did this? I don't even trade NQ, but I know why. I'm going to give you one hint. In just a sec. No one? No one knows? Well, Patricia does. Dan knows. Patricia knows. Well, yeah. Something to do with money. Well, the dollar, I think he might have meant, actually. Right, Patricia, Dan, you said it. DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek. It is a distribution, Thomas. But DeepSeek AI. Chinese AI firm. Like, what? So, bit of backstory. The government, the American government, America, basically put a limit on how many chips China could get hold of. Any, like, super chips, I think they're called. They put a limit on how many chips that they could get hold of. America put a limit on how many chips China could get. Okay? Put a limit on how many chips they could sell to China because America want to lead the AI race. Okay? That's why, like, Nvidia, overbought, way overbought, way overbought. If you look at the chart, absolutely crazy. This is nothing to do with the technicals, anyone. Nothing to do with the technicals. This this never happens. The technicals, really. Let's be honest. But also, we're gonna have a quick look at Nvidia. Okay. So America put a limit on how many chips China can buy. Okay. They put a limit on how many chips China can buy. But then this company come out called DeepSeek AI, and they've basically, it's open source. So there's ChatGPT, which is an AI bot, We all know what that is. Then there's DeepSeek AI. So ChatGPT is an American one, which cost around $19 billion to get to where it is now. $19 billion to get to where it is now. Just under 18.9, I think. But $19 billion to get to where it is now. That's how much it cost, invested, everything. $19 billion. DeepSeek, so the ChatGPT is American, DeepSeek is Chinese. America put a limit on how many chips China can buy. America basically spent $19 billion on it, their AI. China have outdone America for $6 million. They use the equivalent of $6 million on this AI bot. Okay? And I want to show you something. So, China basically outdid America. They spent less money, had a ban on chips, but their AI chatbot is much, much better than ChatGPT, or much more capable for the price it is, okay? And this is it, okay? So, I asked DeepSeek, and this, did me a little bit of research here. I asked DeepSeek who coded it, and it said OpenAI, which is very, very strange. But they trained it. They basically, what the short story is, China trained the DeepSeek model on ChatGPT. They trained it using ChatGPT. If you ask DeepSeek who coded it, who invented it, who made you, it says OpenAI, it says ChatGPT, it says that it is ChatGPT when prompted. So it basically, it's a Chinese model that cost way less. Yeah. And it's trained on ChatGPT. And that's what's caused that entire crash. Nvidia was way overbought to begin with, so all it took was the slightest bad news here to come out, and then just boom, straight down. You can see we went from, on Thursday, I think we were at, the last high basically on Thursday was 149, and right now we've gone as low as 116. Okay, 116. You can see that gap down there, and that's what's led this NQ gap down. That's why we had the gap down, because China basically have overtook America in the AI race by using American chips, by using an American AI model for much, much less money. But not only that, that's like part of the reason. The real reason here is that they've made it all open source. All of it is open source. Anyone can get access to it. Anyone. You can use it for your code and you can see how it works. It's open, completely open source. It's all out there on the internet. Whereas ChatGPT is closed source, basically. So not only is DeepSeek free, but it's also built cheaper, with less chips, and at the rate it's going to be more intelligent than ChatGPT. So Google put a delay on the emails coming from DeepSeek, so you have missed the amount of time you have to confirm your activation. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. I must be lucky then. But to be fair, that's a Google account. That must be a Google account. If you have a Gmail account or you're signing in with Google. I used Apple, so maybe something else. But yeah, I did my own research there. Well, I was like, what? How is it ChatGPT? And then search it up and found out. But yeah, that's why this meltdown happened. This is why we melted down like this. And you know exactly what happens after a big move. A nice consolidation. And that's what's happening now. Okay? A little bit of sauce there. Dropping gems. I don't even trade NQ, but I know exactly why it moved down. Now, the bias. What's the bias? The bias is bullish because we took out this low here, leaving behind this fair value gap here. Very simple. We've also got a gap we need to come and fill. Okay. we also have a gap we need to come and fill. There's a few fair value gaps here, but as I said, remember, I've said this multiple times, when there's back-to-back fair value gaps like this, there's 1, 2, and 3. Just go up a time frame and there'll just be 1. Okay? And that's what we're using here. It's also where the gap is. So the bias is bullish. The bias is bullish. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. The bias is bullish again. Took out these lows here. Looking to come back up into this fair value gap that we formed. Go down to the 15. Go down to the 5. And there's a very nice entry here. Very nice entry you could have caught right here. Very, very simple AMD. There is a unmitigated imbalance. Mitigated now. Unmitigated by the time of entry. Right here. But you could have took a nice entry like this one. Something simple like this. Maybe even targeting this high over here. Very, very simple AMD IFEG play. You know, bullish bias. Very, very straightforward. It's a good day to trade today, it seems. I think Bitcoin also had. There we are. So, I didn't take this, but we spoke about this. I said it live. I said it live, okay? So you could have took this as well if you wanted to. GJ completely reversed. GJ has completely reversed. Look at that, guys. Easy TP here. Easy, easy, easy peasy. But NQ, bullish. Nice little trade there. Looks like it's going straight up now. You've missed this if you're looking to trade it. Plus also it took like 10 years to explain my my thought process on the move down. But yeah, good trade day today, guys. Looks like NQ, if anyone's caught that, playing out nicely. Bitcoin's playing out nicely. Gold. See here, Marilyn, we didn't move down. We're just kind of rotating back and forth because we just had a nice move up. But yeah, good day for trading today, guys. I've got nothing else to share. As I said, this is the last stream of the week. Hopefully you caught that dub that we caught earlier at the start of the stream. If you caught the Bitcoin and NQ, props to you as well. Well done. Nice play. But yeah, as Big D's just said, good day to trade today. You know, good trading day. But I've got nothing else to share now. Like up the stream if you haven't already. I'm off to Cyprus on Friday. No more streams from me until Monday when I'm in my villa chilling in Ayia Napa. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. I got nothing else to share. I hope you have a lovely week if I don't see you again. There will be a market outlook tonight, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But there won't be another one until Sunday, okay? So maybe even not on Sunday. But we'll see how it goes, guys. Play it by ear. Have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week. Make sure you journal this trade if you took it with me. Make sure you journal it, why it went well, what the confluences were, what you may have improved, you could improve on for next time or something like that. But that's it from me, guys. I got nothing else to share. I'm done here. We've extracted our profits. We're done for the day. We're about to head out now. And that's all me. That's me sorted, guys. I have nothing else to share. Hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Hope you have a lovely rest of your week if I do not speak to you again. If you want to catch analysis tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, join the free Discord. Okay? Join the free Discord because I'll be sharing my analysis there as well. But that's everything from me. Like the stream if you haven't already. Have a lovely rest of your day. Take care.